Hi everyone, a very good evening to all of you. So I hope I'm audible and visible to you all. Good evening, guys. So today again we have a series of 111 error detections. So we will try to cover around 25 questions, 25 to 30 questions in each and every session of error detection. Okay. See, why do error detection is important because it is grammar based, okay? And you know कि grammar indirectly or directly it is asked in everywhere. Fillers में भी हम grammar देखते हैं, close test में भी हम grammar देखते हैं, ठीक है? And phrase replacement, error detection, everything is grammar based, okay? So it is to strengthen your grammar because I feel that this is your weak point. So are you all ready for this session? Should we start? So the level that we are going to discuss here is to cover all the bank exams, all the bank and insurance exams. Okay, so we are going to cover all bank and insurance exam level here. Before we start this session, this sale, okay, it has been extended till today because it was to end on June 14, but it has been extended till today. If there is anybody who wants to join Oliveboard platform because we are launching a cheapest batch also, so he or she can use code SABA and they can join. Okay, chalo, let's start, guys. Question number 1 is before you. I want everybody to reply and quick reply. Okay. Don't take too much time. EA means, okay. What you have to tell here? Do we need to tell the correct one or the incorrect one? Tell me. I hope you all are reading the directions. So we have to tell the correct one, right? Everybody knows that. So we will start with D. The medicine that the doctor gave him, okay, let's focus. Okay, so the medicine that the doctor gave him did not work, and so his condition became more worse than before. What is wrong in A sentence? Because we have to tell the correct one, it means D should be wrong. So, can anybody tell me what is wrong in A? Quickly, fast. We all know that worse in itself is a comparative degree. Bad, worse, worst. Okay, good, everybody knows good, better, best. Good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. So this is already comparative form, right? Better and worse, they are already comparative form. So you know that it is superfluous because we cannot use double comparatives. Okay, superfluous expression. So D is wrong, and along with D we can eliminate E because if one sentence is also wrong, अगर एक भी गलत हो गया इसका मतलब ये भी गलत होगा ही होगा. Nikhil is one of the best football players, one of the noun plural correct, and is thus fit to be the captains. Now, a single person, can he be multiple captains? No. एक person एक ही captain बनेगा ना. He is alone, so he will be the captain, not captains. So this is also wrong. It will be captain. Aprajita is a very good girl who takes good care of his brother, one of the simplest errors. So when we have eliminated all the options, so definitely A has to be correct. I made a sketch of my wife, V2 form, okay, and gifted it to her on our wedding anniversary. Absolutely correct. Okay, chalo, moving on to the next question. Guys, एक बार please सभी लोग session को like and share करिए quickly. The session is going to be very interesting and very, very useful. So quickly everybody like this session and share this session. Tell me the error DBVA. What is the error? 50% DB, 50% BA. I want to know the error. This I think 2-3 days back I told you also. See, we people think that OFF off is the phrase. Okay, seldomly. Who is this? Shubham, not at all. See, had, gave. क्या क्या आप लोग बता रहे हैं मुझे? What you people are saying? See, we think that it is disposed OFF off, but there is no phrasal verb called disposed OFF off. It is always disposed OF off. So 2-3 days back somebody asked me, and that time also I told कि ये होता ही नहीं है. Many people said that, ma'am, both are correct. No, only one is correct, that is dispose of. And dispose of means discard. Achha, many people say that many of the is wrong. You can say many students is also correct. Many of the students is also correct, right? So many people say that many of that does not sound good. You have nothing to do with the sound. So many of the is also right, plural noun, and many is also followed by plural noun. Okay. So it is absolutely right. While shifting our home, we have disposed of many of the unwanted things that have been seldom used. Seldom in itself is an adverb. We cannot add ly to this. Is it clear, Shubham? Seldom अपने आप में ही adverb होता है, ठीक है? जैसे seldom हो गया, fast हो गया, आप fastly नहीं बोलोगे, आप fast ही बोलोगे. ठीक है? Never, all these are already adverbs. So the error lies only in A part, BA is the error. No confusion at all. I hope it is clear to everyone. Those who were saying DB, they also got the answer. Many is followed by plural noun, so we have used plural noun. That is referring to things. Things is plural, so we have used plural verb. Everything is correct. Okay. Next. Nobody? What is the error? Door was stuck. Why to change it into past tense? It is already past, sorry, present. C. Some are saying E, some are saying D. D means CD or what you are saying? Listen to me carefully. The residents of the apartment that is referring to apartment. Where you are saying are, which part you are saying are, tell me. Okay, now you have told all the parts. I can see CD, I can see DA, I can see no error, all the parts I can see. Now please listen to me. The residents of the apartment that is directly above ours. What is directly above ours? The apartment is directly above ours or the residents are directly above ours. So those who are saying that it will be are, they are wrong. And you know that you can ask, if I say this house is ours, is it wrong? This house is ours. Is it wrong? Ours is a possessive pronoun. We use it to show the possession. It is a possessive pronoun. Do we need apostrophe S here? Do we need apostrophe S here? Because apostrophe we never ever use with pronouns. Pronoun के साथ apostrophe लगता ही नहीं है, इसलिए याद रखिएगा. अच्छा, those who are saying above us. So apartment is above us. Apartment हमारे ऊपर है. Ours means our apartment. So apartment is over you or over your apartment. This is only the sense. Now ours means our house. So ours here means our apartment. So this is also correct. Is there anything wrong in B part and A part? Tell me, guys. Try to see each and every part separately. देखा करिए, समझा करिए, then try to mark the error. So ours is a possessive pronoun. It refers to above our apartment. So the residence of the apartment, that is directly above. So this apartment is directly above our apartment. Requested for. Request can be a noun also. Request can be a verb also. Listen to me carefully. When request is a noun, you can use for. When request is a verb, for is wrong. For is wrong. Request when it is a noun, you can use for. Request when it is a verb, you cannot use for. Example, if you want, we made a request. We made a request for early delivery of any product. We made a request for early delivery. Okay. And if I say we requested for early delivery, which one is wrong? I'm hiding myself. 1 second. We requested for early delivery. Which one is wrong? Tell me everybody quickly. So immediately you will say that requested is a verb here. This one is wrong and this is absolutely correct because here a request means request is a noun. Is this point clear? Second one is incorrect. First one is absolutely correct. There are many words, okay, many words that take preposition as a noun but not as a verb. Order for, attack on. Okay, so attack on is a wrong when attack is a verb. Attack on is correct when attack is a noun. So learn these things that as a noun for is correct but as a verb for is wrong. So error is in C part. How many of you were correct here? And this is used for do. See, now you will be thinking, ki, ma'am, what is the verb for residents? The residents requested. For residents, if you are asking the verb, no? The residents requested. V2 is same for both singular and plural. Any more confusion? कोई और डाउट है पूछ लीजिए. If you have any other doubt, please ask quickly. Does anyone have confusion that why singular and why plural? Do you have that confusion? Sorry, singular plural I'm asking. Present and past, that two verbs are in past. Two verbs are in present and one is in past. If you have any such doubt, I can clear that also. See, apartment is still ours, no? Apartment is still above our apartment. So this is what it is talking about a fact. And door is still stuck. Might be they asked for help 2-3 hours back. So you can say yes. Some verbs do not follow preposition. Chalo next. Be careful. Note down all these things, small things, because what you are saying, Gaurav? Gaurav, what you are saying? Tell me the error. Okay, majority is saying BA. What is the error in BA? Let me know quickly. Option D also. अच्छा वो आपने मैथ्स का कोई सेंटेंस पूछा. I will tell you. Some are saying AC, some are saying BA. Tell me the error. Detailed us. See, these are the small rules that you people should focus on. Okay, now listen to me. Detailed is correct. Listen to me carefully. See, when we have say or suggest, we use to plus object. Like he said me or he said to me. He said me or he said to me. Tell me. You will use to. He said to me whatever he said. He said to me. He said to you. He said to us. He suggested to me. He suggested to them. So say suggest will take two. All these words do not take two. Like you cannot say he told to me. Can we say he told to me? Many people speak this way, but it is wrong. Told to is wrong. Ordered to is wrong. Okay. Request to is wrong. But Acha, he detailed us or he detailed to us. Detailed means explained. Even explain will also take two, guys. Even explain will also take two. Explain के साथ भी two लगेगा. The hiking guide detailed to us means explained to us. Absolutely correct. How can you say detailed us का मतलब आप समझ रहे हैं? If you will not use any preposition, do you know? Do you know the meaning? Means उसने मेरी detailing कर दी. He gave the detailing of mine. Detailed to us means gave the explanation to me. He gave the explanation to us. Is it clear? So he detailed to us the necessary precautions. Absolutely correct. Precautions that are to be taken. That is also correct. Before starting our hiking, and recommended us to carry. Recommended to carry is also correct. 2 plus V1. Not carrying. There is no error in this sentence. Before starting our hiking, no. Before is a preposition. Preposition will be followed by gerund. There is no superfluous call before starting is wrong. See, whenever the travel guide give you the explanation, okay, if he tells you the precautions, so he tells the precautions before starting the journey. No? After starting the journey, he cannot tell. So everything is correct. There's no error. Detailed as is a different thing. Detailed here simply means explained to us. Is this point clear? Do not get confused in the word detail. Detail to us means explain to us the necessary precautions that are to be taken before starting the journey. Okay, so there is no error in this sentence. This sentence is absolutely correct. See, these are simple questions. These are pre-level questions. These are not mains level questions. Pre-level questions. Okay. That is used for even. The even number is not a multiple of 3. For even, Gaurav. AC. Now this is simple, groupings is not required because group is already a noun. Grouping we used to show something different. Okay. So group is a noun already, so we do not need another noun. So error is in C part, the answer will be AC. Good. Chalo, next question. Acha, today reserve list came, many people got selected. Congratulations, Satesh. Many congratulations. Many people have got Central Bank of India. I got the message. Even Lakshmi, Subha Lakshmi also got Central Bank of India in the reserve list. ओके सो वी से ना कि अगर आपका थोड़े नंबर से सिलेक्शन रुकता है तो डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट इन द इन दैट रिजर्व लिस्ट ओके बट फोकस ऑन पीओ दिस टाइम सतेश ओके ऑप्शन ई दिस टाइम यू पीपल विल डेफिनेटली गेट पीओ ठीक है बिकॉज जब नया नया सिलेक्शन होता है ना तो मोरल बहुत हाई होता है तो अभी यू आर स्टिल इन प्रिपरेशन फेज तो टेक पीओ एग्जामिनेशन सीरियसली मे बी पॉसिबल यू गेट एसबीआई पीओ back is not, but as LNG continues, LNG is singular. We have used a singular verb. Okay, continues to be brought ashore. It is correct. Demand for facilities that heat the liquid, and turn it back into gas remaining high or remains. See, simple logic here, you have to apply your verb advance. But is a conjunction. But as together we have used. One conjunction we have. So we need one finite verb here. Then that is a conjunction. Two conjunctions we have. Now and is also connecting this. Three conjunctions. How many finite verbs do we need? We need four finite verbs. Right? Three conjunctions, four finite verb. Heat is used as a verb. Turn is also used as a verb. And this remaining, this has to be changed into finite verb because it is used for demand remains high. This verb we are using for demand remains high. Demand for what? The facilities that heat liquid and turn it back into gas. Turn back is not a superfluous expression. Return back, retreat back, all these are superfluous expressions. ठीक है? Turn back कभी भी superfluous नहीं होता है. So simple, the answer is CE. This we can do on the spoken form also. Yes or no? Easily we can do this question on the basis of spoken form. मैंने कुछ गलत लगाया क्या? So error is in this part, no? The demand remains high. Is it clear to everyone? See, remember one thing. Always try to break the sentence. And this verb advance that I have taught you now, I will try to take this session also on YT. Friday, I took subject verb agreement. I hope most of you have seen that. Those who did not see, please go and check. That is one of the best sessions for subject verb agreement. So please go and watch that SBA. Friday only I took it. Complete grammar rules. Verb advanced, I will take someday. Okay. Chalo. As vehement, it is not possible to define all main verbs and this. Verb advance, I will teach you, then all these things will be clear to you. Okay. One day I will teach verb advance. कुछ भी आपने रॉन्ग डाला होगा गौरव. वर यू देयर इन द रिजर्व लिस्ट? कितने मार्क्स से रुका था आपका? Who is this person, Vignesh? See, I can teach you everything, but I cannot learn the verb form for you. Do you know spring, sprang, sprung? It is already V2 and V3 form. So you have plus V3, you don't have to add ED there. There is no word called sprung. This word does not exist only. ये होता ही नहीं है sprung. Okay. Rivers which were reduced to, insignificant streams in recent times have suddenly sprung back to life, says resident in, see, actually it will be say residents in villages, because villages we are talking now, so all the villages, so it should be this. Say residents in villages means residents are saying around the city. Is it clear? Residential is wrong because we need a noun, we do not need adjective, so error is in D part, it will be BD. Clear? Yes. Residents in village. And when you say residents, so it will be say because inversion form is used here. Okay. At the end, you can ask me, Shruti. Okay. And we have already taken so many strategy videos. So you can watch those strategy videos also. See, I don't think I brought tough questions. Some are saying BB, some are saying CC. What are you telling me? Correct one or incorrect one? B and C. The confusion is between B and C. A and D also. A, D, correct one. What is wrong in A? One by one, let's see. Chalo. Let's see whether B is right or C is right. I'm telling you, what is the error in A part? Quickly. His 6 years tenure or 6 year tenure. You know that adjectives are never used in plural form. Like, can I say she is a 6 years old girl? Can I say she is a 6 years old girl? Is it buffering? 1 second. Yes, there is some issue. 1 second. Oh, now it is fine, I think. It was momentary, guys. Okay. Now it is fine. Okay. It was momentary buffering. I'm telling you everything one by one. So this is wrong. It will be 6 year because it is an adjective. So adjectives are never used in plural form. So this is definitely wrong. B, we don't have to think only. Who is saying that B is correct? Can't you see had fall is given? Can we ever use had plus V1? We know that had plus V3 will come had fall on the floor or fallen on the floor. Kate was disgusted when John ate some food that had fallen on the floor. So this is also definitely wrong. Now let's see C1. This invigilator would not let. Who is saying C is correct? Let is followed by bare infinitive. Let me to go. Let Ram to attend college. Is it right? How you guys are saying that C is correct? It is such a simple error. Let is followed by 2 plus V1 or bare infinitive. Let Ram to attend college or let Ram attend college. Let me go. Let me come. So let any student to cheat or only cheat. The invigilator would not let any student cheat in the examination. Let will take only V1 form. So all these are eliminated. Simple thing. How can you make a mistake, Iqbal? You risk being electrocuted. Electrocuted means जो electric circuit, electric current लगने से death नहीं हो जाती है. If you get too close to the fence. So that is called. कि अगर आप fence के this fence might be electricity fence. Wire is there. So there can be risk. You risk being electrocuted if you get too close to the fence. Risk is used as a verb here. Did everybody get the point? Anybody who feels something is wrong in D? T002 is paired with 2. That is also correct. Any doubt? One second, again. It is fine now. I don't know why there is intermittent buffering. I hope it's better now. Shall we continue? नहीं कुछ तो इशू हो रहा है. I don't know what is the issue. What is your doubt? Just a minute. Just a moment. Let me see. What is your doubt? This. It is fine now. Ma'am, is it following the first condition? See, tech team has connected, so they will check. They will take care of it. Okay. Now it will not drop. Actually, there is some issue. Give me 1 second, guys. You risk. Hmm. Yes. What is the structure of first condition? Everybody write. Everybody please write. What is the condition of this? What should be the structure of first conditional sentence? Just 1 minute. Tech team is doing its work. Okay. By that time, you can reply me. Reply to me. Shall I think they have done? See, we all know if plus present indefinite and then future. See, subordinate clause should be in present indefinite and principal clause should be in future indefinite, right? Everybody knows that. Everybody knows the condition of structure of first condition. Now listen to me. This part is subordinate clause. I'm highlighting this. This part is subordinate clause. If is a conjunction here. So we can say that this part is subordinate clause, right? It is already in present indefinite. There is no error in this part. It is already in present indefinite, simple present tense. Okay. It is already present indefinite. Now tell me, in principal clause, didn't I tell you that present tense also gives future sense? Present tense also carries future sense. You risk means you will risk in the future. So we can use both in present tense now because present tense also carries future sense. So yes, that's why it is absolutely correct. Next. Chalo, quickly move on to the next question. Now everything will be fine. So you all can join. Samaj, who is saying all are correct? Who is this YTFY? Can we even think of this option all are correct? You have to find the correct one, guys, not the incorrect one. Do not thought or do not think. The blunder is given here. You all know that do, does, did is followed by V1. Do, does, did is always paired, is always followed by V1. So this is definitely wrong. And if C is wrong, तो E भी गलत हो गया. Because अगर एक भी गलत हुआ तो E नहीं जाएगा. All are correct will not go. Now for plus time, can we ever use for plus time in continuous tense? We know that for plus time we use in perfect continuous and perfect tenses, right? Perfect tense. So we were waiting or we have been waiting. So D is also wrong. We have been waiting. Now, Sheena does not believe that her son lies to her, but I know he does. It's absolutely correct. B is correct. Okay. D is wrong. Perfect continuous tense we need. They named their son as Raj or they named their son Raj. राज की तरह नाम रखा या राज ही नाम रखा उसका? I am named as Saba. Do you say my name is as Saba? Or do you say my name is Saba? Called as, named as, these are wrong. Known as, you can say he is known as Raj. I'm known as Saba. Okay. So called as, named as is wrong. You will simply say they named their son Raj after his great grandfather. Is it clear? So the name is based on the name of his great grandfather. So simple, the error is A is also wrong, B is the correct sentence. Any confusion? If you have any doubt in B sentence, please ask quickly. B is the correct one. We have to tell the correct one. I think I should proceed, right? Achha, this question carries 5 marks bonus. Okay? अगर ये सही होगा तो you can take 5 marks bonus. Okay? It's a bonus question. Let me see who gets it right. I want everybody to reply. D, D, D. B, B, B. किसी ना किसी का तो सही होगा. B, D, C. E is also there. B, C, D, E. ए छूट दिया आप लोगों ने. ए को भी रख ही देते हैं. C या D, good. It's up to me. I can choose whatever I want. Very well done, Devi. Very good job. We have to find the incorrect one. Listen to me carefully. They are going to make fun of my hairstyle when I meet them later. So when I meet them, they are going to make fun of my hairstyle. Absolutely correct. This is also first condition. Apply the logic of first condition here. When is a conjunction? Present indefinite. And you know that is am are going to also carry future sense. You can say they will make fun of my hairstyle or they are going to make fun of my hairstyle. Absolutely correct. Vishakha concluded that no one can give books as a gift on any occasion. Absolutely correct. Now tell me, what is the difference between wood and woods? One is followed by one. So यहाँ पे one के साथ कहाँ कुछ use हुआ है? One can give books as a gift on any occasion. So it is absolutely correct, Shruti. अगर हम his या her use करेंगे, then it will become wrong. See, you know that wood we call to log of wood, lakdi. And here we are talking about Raj followed a bird into the wood, lakdi ke andar ya forest ke andar. So simple, the error is in this part. Woods will come because we are talking about forest. Woods means forest. This means timber or log of wood. Okay. And D is absolute because we have to tell the incorrect one. So C is incorrect. D is absolutely correct. The girl spotted a ladder and climbed it to reach the attic. V2 form, V2 form. Attic basically we call to roof, terrace. Next. Now this is easy. Quickly increase your speed. Rains is verb. Otherwise, rain can be plural also. Rains basically we use as a verb. Okay. It rains heavily. Simple. The new opened restaurant or newly opened restaurant. Restaurant is noun. Opened is an adjective. So we need an adverb. So simple error we have EA. Good job. Chalo. Go. Next. Now you have some easy levels. DB, it was decided to the meeting or in the meeting that the tax rates of some of the essential goods should be reduced. So decided in the annual meeting or at the meeting. Okay. So simple, the error is in DB part. Good job. Next. Very fast. Increase your speed. Done, done. Proceed. Now I want 2x speed, rapid fire, okay? Because these are easy questions. Unskilled laborers, plural. Face difficulty, plural. In finding a proper permanent job to support his families or their families, because laborers, plural, so we need their. So error is in C part, the answer will be CC. Okay, next. What is the error? What is the error? BD or DB? Some are saying DB, some are saying BD. See, we know that although though is never, but will also not come. See, if I write here but, will it be right? Can I write here but? See, although though you know that they are never paired with but or any other conjunction, but is also wrong. Either you use yet or simply you use comma. Okay. So neither but will come nor and will come. Either and yet will come or simply this comma can also work. Okay. So simply if I remove and it will work. Good job. Next, yet can come. You can go for banking selection kit. Otherwise, you can banking super elite is the best buy plan. Right now, we are having 2x validity. If there's anybody who's having uh, who wants to join Oliveboard platform, because from today we have started our achievers batch also for SBI, IBPS, and all these upcoming exams. Okay, achievers batch also we have launched. So it is pre plus mains plus foundation batch. So you can use code Saba. You will get additional 5% discount. Join this Telegram channel for updates and for PDF. Once again, I'm telling you, if there is anybody who wants to learn grammar in a systematic manner from beginning, okay, so you can join this because it is going to be complete batch. But I always recommend to go for Super Elite, because in Super Elite you will have access to all the practice sessions, PYPs, everything. Okay. So go for this Super Elite or Achievers batch also, you have the option. Chalo, next. Descriptive tomorrow 9 a.m. Tuesday descriptive 9 a.m. is the schedule. सेपरेट नहीं है गौरव. उतने पैसे में आपको सुपर एलीट मिल जाएगा. ओके. तो सुपर एलीट ले लो, बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा. इंग्लिश की वजह से सिलेक्शन नहीं रुकेगा, दैट इज माय गारंटी. A, B. Can anybody tell me what is the error? A, B. What is the error? Central universities across the country. Across here means all over the country. So universities were directed. This word is used for universities, plural subject, plural verb. So universities were directed to conduct a mission mode recruitment to fill up the vacancies. That is correct. There is no error. So yes, everything is correct. There is no error. This question. What is the error? Akhil, Shubham, you are saying A. What is the error? Fill up is also correct. Shruti. Fill up the vacancies. Fill up is fill in the blanks, matlab gap is there. Fill up is also the correct way. See, if I say prevented me, he prevented me to go there. What is wrong here? Now, this is a question where you should know a specific preposition. What is wrong here? See, I think you all know that prevented is followed by preposition from. And when from will come, so of course gerund will come, because preposition with 2 plus V1 will go. But when we are using any other preposition, so we will use from, and from will take gerund. So you will say he prevented me from going. Same is the thing, insist to do something or insist on. So first of all, you will change this to into on, and when you will change this to into on, you will say pay into paying. He insisted on paying a lump sum money to his friend because his friend was in dire need. So error lies in A part. Is it clear? Insist on doing something. Next, what is the error? See, during the race, the driver navigated the sharp turns with surprising. Surprising is in itself an adjective. With is a preposition, so it should take noun. So skillful is wrong, it will be skill. Dexterity, all these terms can be used. So error lies in A and AC part. Okay. Surprisingly, no, surprising skill. Because with is a preposition, so preposition will take noun. You can't write skillfully, you can't write anything. Only skill will come or any synonym of skill. Okay. Maneuver also you can use. Maneuver also means skill. Next. ये सब देखा करिए, preposition है तो noun आएगा, article है तो noun आएगा, adept is an adjective. This question, see, we need a noun. Surprising in itself is an adjective. Okay. So that is why when it is already an adjective, so we need a noun here. So skillful is an adjective. One second, one second. Skillful is an adjective. Skillfully is an adverb. We neither need adjective, we neither need adverb. And skill is a noun, so we need a noun there. Because prepositions are always used before noun. There should be a noun to use preposition or article. Before this is a fixed preposition based question. Insist is followed by on and then it will take gerund. Okay. These are fixed prepositions that you should learn. Here what others were saying. Can you please repeat your answer? Akhil DD. The itinerary for the trip includes visiting historical landmarks. Something that is next. Okay, simple parallelism error. Okay, because visiting, sampling, so here also and will always maintain parallelism, so it will be exploring. My question is, can we write here historic? Because historic is an also adjective. Can we write here historic? Anybody? What is the difference between historic and historical? Both are adjectives. Tell me the difference quickly. Because such questions also come in our exam. I could have written here historic landmarks. Difference, I want to know the difference. Why not historic? Historic means related to history. So history only, no? These sports are historic means. So don't we need ancient landmarks? Now, if you visit Taj Mahal, is it a historical monument or historic monument? See, you people are telling me the opposite meaning. Historic we call to impressive, great. Like you say, no? What is his name? The new cricketer, tell me. The teenage boy. Vaibhav Suryavanshi gave a historical performance or historic performance. What do you say? We say that Vaibhav Suryavanshi gave a historic performance. Yes, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. So historic performance means impressive, great, and historical is related to pertaining to history. Pertaining to ancient time, pertaining to history. So all these monuments, Taj Mahal, Red Fort, okay, Qutub Minar, all these monuments are historical monuments, not historic monuments. Is it clear? Hiding myself. It looks tough, but need not be tough. Okay. This is also a bonus question. If somebody can do plus 5 marks, it's a bonus question. Whatever option you are saying, give me the explanation also. What is wrong and why is it wrong? Which option, Rohit? D. Why no who? Which be? Why who will not be there? Who we use for person? This is a person. We are talking about a person. So I'm discussing. Okay, you people have a worry. Okay, let me tell you. After more than 6 months, now please pay attention. Okay, now please pay attention. After more than 6 months, correct? Plural noun, correct 6 months. Of empty dining rooms, correct. Restaurants across New York City, across means all over. So it is absolutely correct. Abhi, I told you across can carry the sense of all over also. Across New York City, just moved a little closer back to normal. Aren't you getting the sense of hidden comparison? So after lockdown, okay, now the restaurants are moving a bit closer back to normal. So there is a sense of hidden comparison. A is absolutely correct. There is no mistake in A. Because hidden comparison we are giving, no? In comparison to COVID time, now they are moving a little closer back to normal. A is right. B. Indoor dining was allowed to restart citywide at 25% capacity in a major epithet. How many of you know the meaning of epithet? Is there anybody here who knows the meaning of the word epithet? Quickly. Whether और आ रहे हैं. Epithet meaning, do you know? Epithet is an adjective used to describe a person. An adjective used to qualify a person. Huh. Like you are not using that person name, you have given him one adjective, and that adjective you are using on the behalf of like to qualify that person. Example, an adjective used to qualify a person or thing. Quickly, example. Can anybody give me the example? Title you can say. Okay, nickname you will not say. Title you will say. Okay. Mr. Perfectionist, Amir Khan. So Mr. Perfectionist is epithet. Remember that. You all know. Now everybody knows that Mr. Perfectionist is the name of what? Big B. So immediately we know who we are talking about. Okay. So this is no, not the pen name. Not pen name. Munshi Premchand is not that. Okay. It is not the pen name. Okay. Now listen to me. I don't think that epithet word suits here. in a major milestone, you can say, because we are not talking about any adjective to describe a person. Captain Cool, Dhoni, so these are epithets. बस हो गया, King Kohli and all, now you people know. Is it clear? Learn these are epithets, okay? I feel that B is wrong, but still I will put a question mark. Now, majority of you were saying that C is wrong. Still, let me read it, guys. Give me 1 second. Still, others were unsure, okay, whether more customers would feel safe to return and okay. So you people said that whether or is wrong. It should be or. Am I right? This was your error. आइए आपको एक अच्छा एग्जांपल देती हूँ मैं. You people said this only, na? C is wrong because whether will be followed by or. Okay. This was your error. Now let me explain this sentence. See, first of all, whether is paired with or not, that is also not mandatory. Whether is not paired with or, whether is paired with or not. Okay. Now, if I say I like to teach, whether English, listen to me very carefully, whether English or Hindi. Is this whether making any sense? I have used or. Tell me. See, इसीलिए कहा जाता है कुछ भी सुपरफिशियल लेवल पे याद नहीं किया करिए. Never use anything or at a superficial level. Try to understand the logic. I have used whether or. Is this sentence correct? Tell me. सही है क्या ये? I like to teach whether English or Hindi. You are giving the option, so you will say either English or Hindi. Whether or is also paired. Always remember that whether is paired with or not. Either or we use for choice. Whether or we use for condition. Is it clear? Now, if I say, I don't know. I don't know either he will come or not. Is it right? They both take or. He will come or not. क्या ये सही है? Can you use either here? Because either is paired with or. So never learn the rule at a surface level. I'm telling you. ठीक है? ऊपर से rules नहीं याद क्या करिए without knowing the context. Okay? So you know that here either will not come, here whether will come. Yes, you can say. So if there is a condition, simply whether or not, you can use whether right or wrong. See, if there is a condition, whenever you talk about condition, you will use whether. Simple. When you talk about condition. See, it is also not mandatory that or not should be there. If or not is not there, then also we can use. Yes or no? Or not is not a mandatory pair here, guys. If I remove this or not, then also this sentence is correct. I don't know whether he will come. If he will come. Okay. So whether is mandatory to use if we have or not, even if without or not also whether can be used. Is that clear? अब इसका structure समझिए. Others were unsure. I'm telling you all your doubts in this sentence. Still, others were unsure whether more customers would feel safe enough to return. Now, many people said that to return and worried. Right? हाँ, मुझे पता था. I know that you people will say 2 plus V1 and V1. Am I right? You did that parallelism? This worried is it used for, it is used for what? Customers would feel safe to return and worried about making costly changes. Who was worried? Tell me. Customers were worried or others were unsure. They were unsure whether customers would come and worried. Others were worried about making costly changes. Are you getting my point? Customers were not worried. Customers के लिए आपका ये वर्ब दिया हुआ है. There is no parallelism. There is no relation with customers. Is it clear? So others were worried. So please focus on the structure, otherwise you will never get the errors. More customers would feel safe enough to return. This is one part, and then others were unsure and worried about making costly changes for little turnout. This others can be restaurant owners also, कि उनको लग रहा था कि पता नहीं कस्टमर्स आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे, ठीक है, और उनको कुछ चेंजेस करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. इज दिस स्ट्रक्चर क्लियर टू एवरीवन? Very nice structure. So C is absolutely correct. Now let me see the D1. ये सारे क्वेश्चंस ना बैठ के आराम से देखा करिए. Do the revision. Okay, then only you will get the structure. The decision ultimately lies with government. Who said on Wednesday? The government is a person who said on Wednesday that local officials should focus on compliance is a noun, on is a preposition, correct with safety rules, comply with, compliance with is absolutely correct. The reopening was scaled back. So there is only one error, that is B. And it is a context-based error, not even grammar-based error. If you know the meaning of epithet, you can do it easily. It was a context-based error, not even grammar-based error. See, this entire week I will take error detection. I want your grammar to improve because it increases, and once you start focusing on sentence structure, many things unknowingly will start improving. मतलब आप एक चीज पे मेहनत करेंगे, बहुत सारी चीजें आपकी ऑटोमेटिकली करेक्ट होती जाएंगी. That is why keep on practicing, do the revision, especially the good questions where you have a confusion. You should definitely revise those questions. Okay, one question I'm giving you homework. You have to write the homework in the comment section. Everybody should do this. A good question I'm giving you homework, so you all have to reply in the comment section of this video. So I think we are done. We are done with this session. So those who haven't yet liked this session, please do like this session. जाते जाते session को like कर दीजिएगा, share कर दीजिएगा, subscribe to our YT channel. We'll see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed this session. By breaking it into multiple parts. And you know, once you start doing this, na, जैसे मैं अलग अलग part में करती हूँ गौरव, if you start doing this thing, na, so what will happen? Your understanding will develop. Because usually complex sentences is this. Don't be in such a hurry. Take your time, write your answers in the comment section. Dhruv Mehta, I will check you for your answer in the comment section. Okay.